Aim: to measure the area of irregular shapes such as a leaf. Materials required: a leaf, a graph paper, a pencil. Procedure: place the leaf on the graph paper and draw the boundary line of the leaf on the graph paper. Now, count the number of complete squares inside the boundary. Also, count the squares which are half and more than half inside the boundary. Ignore the number of squares that are less than half. Observations: the area of the leaf is equal to 1. Number of complete squares, centimeter square, plus half. Number of half or more than half squares, centimeter square. Inference: the area of irregular shape can be measured using graph paper.